In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure tax settings in WooCommerce. We'll go through the process from start to finish so you can enable tax calculations, set up your tax options correctly, and test everything to make sure it works as expected. This is an important part of running an online store because accurate tax settings help ensure customers are charged properly based on where they are located. To begin, open WooCommerce, then go to Settings and select General. In this section, look for the option that enables tax calculations and turn it on. This tells WooCommerce to start using tax features across your store. Once that option is enabled, save your settings so the new tax controls become available. After saving, open the tax tab that now appears in your WooCommerce settings. This is where you'll define how taxes should behave in your store. First, choose whether your product prices will include tax or exclude tax. This setting affects how prices are displayed and how totals are calculated at checkout, so it's worth choosing the option that matches how you want to present pricing to customers. Next, select whether taxes should be calculated based on the customer's billing address or shipping address. This choice matters because tax rules can vary depending on location, and the address source you use will determine how WooCommerce applies those rates during checkout. Once that's set, move on to configuring your standard tax rates. Here, you'll enter the applicable country, state, zip code, and tax percentage for the locations where you need to collect tax. Be careful when entering this information, since even small errors in geographic details or percentages can cause incorrect charges. If you serve multiple areas, make sure each required rate is added accurately. You'll also need to choose whether shipping should be taxed. In some regions, shipping charges are taxable, while in others they are not. So set this according to the rules that apply to your business. When you're done entering your rates and shipping tax preference, save the tax rates to make sure all changes are stored properly. The final step is to test your setup. Add a product to the cart and try different customer locations to confirm that the correct tax amounts appear. This helps you catch any mistakes before customers place real orders. Finally, make sure you verify the applicable tax requirements for every jurisdiction where you sell. WooCommerce gives you the tools to apply taxes, but it's still important to confirm that your settings match current legal requirements. Once that's done, your store's tax configuration should be ready to go.